Okay, quick review here on the Vevor core drill set. 4.25 inches diameter on the core drill. You'll see a 1/4 inch pilot bit there. I'll show you the problem I ran into and how I solved it. It's not particularly complicated, but here we go. First of all, my drill, which is, I love that drill by the way, is a SDS. So you take the SDS adapter, pretty straightforward. Got a little flat on the pilot bit, so you slide it in, tighten up the screw, you're good to go. I'm going to do that offline. All right, got it together. Quite straightforward, of course. Now we put the pilot bit down in the core drill, tighten it up so we get flat there. Make that good and snug, but the torque of the drill will take care of that. And then let's have a look. Oh, wait a minute. What's wrong with this? The pilot bit is not sticking out, so it can act as a centering device for the core bit. In fact, it's a good inch too short. It's not like it's close. It's an inch too short. So that ain't gonna work. So I messed around with customer service for a while trying to get them to send me a longer pilot bit because clearly this one doesn't work. And got tired of waiting. I wanted to do this project over here, which is to cut a 4 1/4 inch hole through this concrete slab so I could put a drain in. Found a piece of wood, used the bit itself. I took the pilot bit out. It kind of doesn't matter whether you do or you don't, but bored a hole in it that's gonna hold my drill in place while I'm starting this hole. So get it where you want, stand on the piece of wood, and then start your drill. Once you're in 1/10 of an inch or a little more, then you can take this piece of wood and get rid of it. And of course at that point you wouldn't need the pilot drill either, but we're not using the pilot drill at all because it doesn't work. 1 foot, now I'm going to stand on this on a slightly non-flat concrete surface. It flexes it a little bit and it tends to bind up on the barrel of the core drill. So I used some lubricant here. I think it was a WD-40 lithium grease or something. Anyway, rubbed it around there a little bit. That solved that problem. Got it started, bored the rest of the hole. So the problem is the pilot bit. The drill itself seemed to work pretty good. Getting through this hole, the slab was not particularly a problem. My edges are not perfect, but they're not terrible either. Getting through the slab didn't take long. Didn't hit any rebar, but I did hit the foundation for this wall. So in the end, drilling this hole was not 3 1/2 inches. It was more like a foot. And it took a while, but we did manage to get through it with this bit. So I'm kind of okay endorsing the bit. The pilot drill, I never did succeed in getting Vevor to understand what the problem was. They sent me a second one, exact same problem. So there you go. The core drill itself is okay. Make yourself a pattern to get started. Expect the fact that the pilot bit is just not right. There you go.